You're blessed when you get your inside word, your mind and heart put right. Then you can see God in the outside word. Matthew 5:8. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Princess Udori and I am back with another video. So this video is a beautiful Ankara makeup tutorial that is inspired by my scarf. Guys, so I'm gonna take my Glam Gear Gold Leaf Concentrate to just prime my face. The first way I like applying this is first of all rubbing it into my skin, then thereafter dabbing it. So guys, as you can see, these earrings are not for me. For the sources of my face makeup, I have to take them off. Like no way, no way. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Udori mixture and thereafter blend that mixture into my skin. Guys, I am dabbing this into my skin. Just dab, 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 dab. Okay, I'm dabbing this into my skin, making sure to get it literally everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Okay. I did this to make the foundation sink more into my skin. Next up, I'm going to be highlighting my face with my Elegant Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. I'm going to be using this to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my kiwi bow, my chin, and my forehead. And guys, I'm not gonna blend immediately. I'm going to leave this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Taking that same sponge I use, I'm going to be using this to just blend that concealer into my skin, and the method of application I am using is dabbing again. Okay guys, you want to dab your concealer, you don't want to rub it. Reverse contouring with the remnants from the sponge. Blend, blend, blend. Like, can you see how flawless this whole thing is looking? Like So before I go ahead and set my highlighted areas, I'm going to take that Secret Powder palette to just take that dark shade and contour my face. Guys, I love this method, like contouring, like powder contour before setting my highlights. Okay, I'm going in with a smaller brush to just contour my nose as well. Guys, blending, setting powder. I'm just gonna set my face with that same damn sponge, but before I go in, I just blend out those crease line. We don't want no crease line there, boo. Okay guys, with makeup, blending is not overrated, never overrated. Okay, oh my god, oh my god, honey. Eyeshadow, I use the Lorac palette first and I take those 3 shades. I use them like from the lightest to the darkest. Okay, I'm taking the lighter one first to just put it in my crease area as a first transition shade. Then yes, I'm going in with the next one, like the next brown shade. It's called Espresso. I'm using that to just deepen my transition as well. And presently I'm going in with the black. I went in with the black and sort of blend. I went in with another brush to sort of blend the edges towards my brow area. Taking that same black again until I am satisfied with my transition, and going in with the big brush and blend as well. Taking my eyeball to cut my crease. I just go ahead and clean my concealer brush to make it like straight, sleek, and ready for the cut. Okay, taking my eyeball as I told you guys, and I'm just gonna cut my crease. I am not cutting to the extreme end. I'm just like doing like a cut crease on my lid area. Next up, I'm going in with these 2 shades from the Lorac palette as well to just put it on my lid, like literally on my lid. Guys, the color I took from my Blossom Cosmetic Ice Cream, my Blossom Ice Cream eyeshadow palette, that shade was actually red and it turned out to be pink in pictures and even in this video. So here we go. Taking those 2 shades, I'm using the lighter one first and just putting it at the center of my lid to cause a transition, and thereafter after going in with the darker one, I'm gonna take the black as well to just deepen it. We didn't come here to play. Okay, we're gonna be doing glitters. I'm gonna use this glitter eyeliner glue, like glitter glue. and just create an eyeliner. Nothing perfect, guys. I wasn't doing this for perfection. I just wanted something shining around my eye area. So I'm using the silver glitter from BH Cosmetics. This glitter is awesome. I've had it for like the longest time, yeah. Going in with my ADS gel liner, I'm just gonna use this to just line my eyes, give myself a really nice wing. Lining my waterline, I'm going in with my Davis black pencil, dusting off the excess from my face, and while dusting off, I'm trying to like dust off and blend my face together, like blend everything. So there will be no harsh line, there will be no quarrel, there will be no argument, okay? Blending my entire face with this powder, same thing to avoid quarrel. Sincerely, I forgot I broke this palette and it was so annoying. Like, can you fix? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We gotta be cute, regardless. So guys, highlighting my face, the high points of my face with my highlighter. The first lipstick I'm going in with is this lipstick from Flawless. I'm just going to use this to just line my entire lip. I think it's in the shade or the number or the name VIP1, something like that. I'm going to leave it in the description bar. I'm just going to take this to just line my lip. Going in one of my random Osblood lipstick, I'm just gonna use this to just just put it at the center, put it everywhere, like everywhere, and set my face with my Carite Dewy setting spray. And yes, we are done. This is the first lip for this look. Yeah, okay honey, okay sweetie, okay. So taking that first lip off, I just took out the bottom and this thing was giving me vibe. Like I had to take pictures before going ahead and clean it. Okay. I went ahead to line my lip with my brown pencil and going in with one of my favorite nude lipstick. Like you all know, this is like my every time matchy set, and went in with some beautiful gloss, slap on some nice. Yes guys, this is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on my social media platform. It's gonna be down in the description bar. Okay, don't forget this. Princess Udori, love you guys more, but God loves you most.